This is a game that's heavily inspired by the world's hardest game. Something that's really unique about this particular project is that the entire game runs off of one level or one scene that actually loads a bunch of external templates that I've created. So if I go to play this game, it starts off on a basic level here with some 3D elements and some 2D elements. I am using the game controller, which makes the game feel super fluid. Moving around is just easy. You can use the keyboard to play, but it's kind of like, keyboard's a pretty cut and dry way of playing some games. Unless I added like interpolation and stuff, which I could, but I'll have to consider that for a later video. But we can move around, we can collect our keys. They're coins, but keys, and move on. So there's two different types of keys. There's door keys and then regular keys, right? So you grab that, gets rid of that, then you can get through. Something that I thought was really cool is like I haven't ever really messed with like resolutions and stuff. So I have a few resolutions programmed to my keyboard binds on my keyboard. So if I go and hit the 9 button, it makes it 720p. And if I hit the 8 button, it makes it 4:3 aspect ratio. I think it's 640 by 480. And it does it on the fly. And yes, it makes it look like crap, but it reminds me of something that I would be playing in the early PlayStation 1 days. It's very, very cool. Now, this level's a little messed up, so we're going to just ignore that. I don't know. I think this would be a really fun project to make. If I do make it, I don't know if I'd be selling it or whatnot. I don't know what my plan is in the future for this, if it's even going to get released. But if you guys like it, please let me know. I'll be sure to include more information for you guys in the future. So far, we only have enemies that go up and down, but I'd like to include left and right movement and some AI interactions. We'll see how it goes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.